Welcome. This is my third intervention. I'm coming back to you once more today because my outlook changed again. I'm not as bearish anymore. I think that we have a good chance that wave 2 low is in and that we are expecting a wave 3, an impulsive wave 3 up. So I'm more bullish now than I was during my last intervention, and I wanted to show you that on the chart. Also, I did a little relabeling of the wave Y on the 5-minute chart, and I wanted to look at you with. I wanted to take a look at it with you. So let's first go to my disclaimer. So this is my disclaimer. Please read and be aware of the risk warning, because trading is risky business. And that being said, let's look at the chart. So now I'm expecting I'm seeing W, X, Y correction, and I think that the Y correction could be in, that the low could be this low. So, and what I'm expecting from here is an impulsive wave up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So I'm now bullish again on the 5-minute chart because of the reaction that we saw from that low. So I think that this level actually that we retested 3 times could hold, and that we could start an impulse wave from here. I'm not going to go over too much about the labeling of the internal wave structure, but here you can see, for example, an A, B, C, and the C wave divided into 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And wave 4 overlapped wave 1, so it's a diagonal triangle. That would mean that actually the impulse wave could be quite strong from here on. And if we look at the 3-hour chart, you see here the end of wave 1, and I have the end of wave 2 here. And then if on the bullish count, we have a wave 1, and we could have a wave 2 that ended here. And wave 2 subdivided into 3 waves, A, B, and C. And now I'm expecting a bullish scenario with 3 waves up. That would be the bullish scenario. And I think that there's a good chance that that's still in play. If it's not, then the alternate count would start, and the alternate count would be that that it's not an A, B, C, but it is a W, X, and I have to show you a WX, and here would be Y. Okay, and that would be the alternate count. And wave Y from X to Y would subdivide into A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. Okay, and the B wave, so this wave from A to B, could be a triangle. I'm not sure about this, but it could be. Actually, what I don't like is that I labeled wave A 5-wave wave, and this cannot be a 5-wave. The wave A cannot be 5 waves, so that's impossible. So either it's not a 5 or it's not a triangle. But wave A must be a 3-wave. In a triangle, every wave is a 3-wave. So again, from wave A to wave B, we could have an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave. Okay, and from the E wave, we would have a thrust down, which would bring us to 36,869. But my favorite count is still the bullish count, and that would be the A, be C correction, and the C correction is over. Here ended wave 2, and wave 2, wave 1 ended here, and wave 2 here. The correction ended here, and now I'm expecting a 3 wave up. So that was wave 1. This is wave 2, and 3, 4, 5. 3 waves subdivided into an A, B, C. So actually, I'm still bullish. I'm still more bullish than bearish, and I still favor the bullish account to the bearish account. So I think that this level could hold, and the level on the 3-hour chart, this one could hold too. I'm expecting both of them to hold. So I'm bullish. I'm more bullish again than bearish, and I want just to tell you that. So it was a little intense here, because we retested the same level 3 times, and I did not know if we had to flip to a bearish count. I even flipped to a bearish count, and I started to favor the bearish count, this one. But now I'm again favoring more the bullish count. So I give it a higher probability that we're still bullish, and I'm expecting wave 3 to start, and then 4, 5. That's what I wanted to tell you. We did take a look at my disclaimer, at least I think we did, and the risk warning. And I think I told you also that I'm offering one-on-one coaching, and that I have a 60% discount if you want to reach out to a trader, and if you want to talk with me about what you're doing in the market, what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, and how you can improve your trading, or your investing, or your swing trading. So if you have any questions and need any help, you can reach out to me. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and ring the bell notification, because it's time-sensitive information, and it is if you want to take something out of these videos by, for example, trading on my side or doing the opposite that I do because you think I'm wrong, then you have to have that information as soon as possible. I put you up to date about the most high probabilistic Elliott count, and you need to see that as soon as it's out, especially since this is day trading and we're looking at short time frames. So you need to hit the subscribe and the bell notification icon, so you get notified every time I post. This was my third intervention for today. I think that will be the last one, since now I'm more favoring again the bullish count, and I think we will stick with the bullish count until tomorrow. So I'm not expecting to do any updates today, but I'll see you tomorrow for one more intervention. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.